Understanding, I need time to heal. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's rich in emotional content and deeply human. I need time to heal. This phrase is powerful and packed with meaning, so let's unpack it together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but also be able to use it appropriately in your conversations. The phrase, I need time to heal, might seem straightforward, but it's layered with meaning. Firstly, it's important to understand the key components. I need suggests a personal requirement or necessity. Time refers to the period needed for a process or event to occur. To heal indicates the process of recovery from injury, pain, or distress. Together, this phrase conveys a person's need for a period to recover from emotional or physical pain. When someone says they need time to heal, they could be referring to either emotional or physical healing, and sometimes both. Physical healing involves the body's natural process of repairing itself after an injury or illness. For example, after a surgery or an accident. Emotional healing, on the other hand, is about overcoming emotional pain or trauma, such as after a breakup, loss of a loved one, or any significant life change. Understanding the context in which the phrase is used is crucial to comprehend the kind of healing the person is referring to. This phrase also highlights the importance of patience and support in the healing process. Saying, I need time to heal, is a way of asking for understanding and space from others, emphasizing that healing cannot be rushed. It's a reminder that everyone heals at their own pace, and being supportive of someone's healing journey is a profound act of kindness. Using the phrase, I need time to heal, in your own conversations requires sensitivity and awareness of its deep meaning. It's a powerful way to express your own need for space and time to recover from a difficult situation. It can also be used to show empathy towards someone going through a tough time, acknowledging their need for healing and offering your understanding and support. I need time to heal is more than just a simple statement. It's a profound expression of human resilience and vulnerability. It reminds us of the importance of giving ourselves and others the space and time needed to recover from life's hardships. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this powerful phrase and how to use it with compassion and empathy. Thank you for joining us, and remember, it's okay to take your time to heal.